title should be These Mushrooms Put Me in the ER. Hey buds. So we had these old beds that we decided would be good for repurposing and making into mushroom beds, and we're going to try growing mushrooms outside this year. We're not entirely sure what the mushrooms will favor, so we're trying out a few different locations, including a bit in the garden by our fruit trees, a shadier place by our rain barrel, and then this one that gets kind of partial shade and sun. And we have them filled with straw, and it's a very rainy day, so it's nice and moist for us, and we're just going to layer in this mushroom spawn that we got from Grow Mushrooms Canada. We're going to try some blue oysters, some pink oysters, and some wine caps. I like the way it smells.
Yeah.
They smell different. I don't know. I mean, some of it I think must be the sawdust that I'm smelling. But they're like, yeah, which I think, you know, is part of what I like. I think the oyster smells kind of sweeter, though. Shit. Put a nail through my foot. So there's a bit of a casualty. While I was placing the mushroom spawn into the bed, I accidentally stepped on this lethal piece of wood that was hanging around. On the plus side, there is yarrow here, which does help stop bleeding. They're just little leaves that can be chewed up and placed on a wound, and it will help stop the bleeding. Yes, so that definitely went into my foot. Not to be too gory, but ow. I will say ow. And be very careful while you're out there, folks. Anywho, upwards and onwards. We'll bandage this for now, finish up and clean it inside. This is a shadier location. The nice thing about it is the access to the rain barrel, though, will make it easier to water and keep it kind of moist. I'm just gonna try some on the edge of the garden here as well, see how they do. If they like it, it'll be a little sunnier in this spot. we go. Now I just gotta keep them moist and dream of mushrooms. Holy! Overnight! Boom! So we've been dutifully watering our bed here all summer so far, but nothing has sprouted except for a few seeds that were in with the straw until we went away for 2 days and we came back to these. So now in some trusty steel-plated boots, because I'm tired of the ER, we are going to harvest our first wine caps, also known as garden giants. Check that out. Aren't they beautiful? I'd say they have a dark spore print based on the look of that. Quite large. And it seems someone also has been sampling. Now we thought that this, weirdly, looks a little like the bat logo. Go. Gonna leave this little dude to see what he does. And hopefully we get many more flushes. So our blue oyster bed is looking a little quiet today. However, the pink one seems to have some activity and is even cropping up in some unexpected places. The nice thing we're finding about the pink ones is that they are a little easier to spot with that nice vibrant color. So we're gonna harvest them up today too. One other thing about the oysters is that we don't think that these are going to survive our winter climate. However, the wine caps are supposed to come back year after year, even here where it's really cold. Straw likes to get everywhere. Hiding under here. See, there's more in the corner. Even bright pink, they still kind of hide. Better get these guys. Sugar. There we go. It's one clump anyway. Trying to escape.